Hi everyone! In this lesson, we will learn the meaning of the Turkish idiom Anası Ağlamak. So let's start. Anası Ağlamak. Anası Ağlamak. Anası Ağlamak. Now, the literal meaning of the Turkish idiom Anası Ağlamak is someone's mother crying. It is such a situation in which someone's mother cries for that person, while figuratively, the idiom means to suffer a lot, to experience too much hardship, or to get exhausted due to difficulty. And that's why your mother cries for you out of pity. Let's see some examples now. Ödev yaparken anam ağladı. I suffered a lot while doing homework. Ödev yaparken anam ağladı. Yarın sınavda anamız ağlayacak. We'll suffer a lot in the exam tomorrow. Yarın sınavda anamız ağlayacak. Vergiler yüzünden anam ağlıyor. I suffer a lot because of taxes. Vergiler yüzünden anam ağlıyor. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.